Alam mo namin na you're friends with Maricel Soriano, di ba po? Na siya po yung pinalitan niyo. Do you have communication po after accepting?
No way, I'm not in touch with her. Actually, I've lost touch already for how many years na, no? And I only got to see her last December when we had the ABS-CBN yung Christmas special.
Ano pong pinagkaiba ng character niyo rito dun sa character niyo sa Walang Hanggan na talagang hanggang ngayon hindi pa tumatak sa isip ng mga tao?
Ibang-iba nga ang character ko dito because, well, first of all, yung sa Walang Hanggan, it's a love story, no? Dito iba naman ang genre, eh. It's really more a family drama na may pagka-suspense pa nga, no? May pagka-thriller pa siya. But it's a mom who is simple, you know, a mom na maalagain, na gagawin niya. I guess same like Emilia, but in a simpler, in a more low-key way. Hindi ito fashionista. Kung yan ang ina-expect nila, hindi.
So more on drama po, more on suspense.
Yes, it's more family drama. And really, nakasentro talaga yung storya dun sa relationship ng mag-ina.
May pressure ba? Kasi kumbaga parang sobrang nag-hit at nagkaroon ng yung chemistry ni Sir Richard na etong bagong teleserye nyo compared to Walang Hanggan.
Siyempre palaging may pressure. Kayo pa lang, kino-compare na ninyo eh, di ba? Hindi pa man, di ba? So, we'll just do the best that we can. I mean, that's my attitude naman when it comes to my work. I never thought that Walang Hanggan was gonna become a hit. I just did the best that I could. And then it became a pleasant surprise, di ba? So, you win some, you lose some. I mean, kami, we do our best as actors to choose the projects that we love. And our handlers, our managers guide us in the kinds of project that they think will help our career. The production side, their job is to come up with the best scripts and all of that. But that all comes together. It's a collaboration, diba? You cannot claim the success. You can just make it just because of one person, diba? It's a collaboration. So let's hope that all these ingredients come in again.
Parang nasabi niyo right after ng Walang Hanggan, parang you just rest for a while.
I was supposed to.
Oo, tapos bigla na lang. Ano po yung nag-joke sa inyo to accept the project po?
Well, unang-una, napakiusapan ako ng ABS-CBN because they were in a bind. You know, they're trying to find a replacement already for Maricel's role. And first of all, I liked the project. I liked the characters I was going to portray. Second, syempre yung utang na loob. Kailangan ako ng estasyon. There's this nice project that I don't mind doing. Why not? Diba? And third, I guess I'm doing it for the fans who have really supported me. So, putting all of that together, I asked my husband's permission. And buti naman naiintindihan din naman niya ako. So, we're sharing the time this summer between campaigning and the teleserye.